Hello YouTubers! So this channel, Coolard Logic, made a series of videos that he says that is bollocks. Pressing to make a lot of videos to try to disprove stupidity, basically. If you watch these videos, he doesn't present any scientific accurate evidence to debunk the model. Even uses his calculations and mathematics and say it's bollocks. Very interesting. So he did a lot of this. I just need this. The document presented in 28 February 2013, where Luka Popov, the University of Zagreb, Department of Physics, presents paper review of, let's see, abstract. The recent paper published in the European Journal of Physics aimed to demonstrate the kinetical and dynamical equivalence of heliocentric and geocentric systems. Resting. The work is performed in the new Tychonic system, which I present in my channel. A lot of stuff. With key assumption that orbits of distant masses around the Earth are synchronized with the Sun's orbit. Motion of the Sun and Mars have been analyzed, and the conclusion was reached that the very effect of the acceleration motion of the universe as a whole product, the so-called pseudo-potential magnetism, that not only explains the origin of the pseudo-forces, magnetism, but also the very motion of the celestial bodies as seen from the static Earth. After the paper was published, the question was raised if the same potential can explain the motion of the distant stars that are not affected by the Sun's gravity, unlike Mars, and if it can be used to reproduce the observation of the stellar parallax, and the answer is found to be positive. So this is Mambo Jumbo, where now he presents a figure of the heliocentric, the Earth turns around the Sun, and the geocentric, the stationary Earth, all other bodies motion. So you can read this. I'm going to leave this. Not important. This is the math which prove it. Another figure to express the difference in the supposed models. Not difference at all. It's perspective. And more formulas, which maybe you don't like, but these formulas give us conclusion. We have analyzed the motion of the star Proxima Centauri in the Earth's pseudo-potential previously derived from Mach's principle. The obtained results are in accord with the observed data. The kinetical and dynamical equivalences of new Tychonic and Copernican systems has once again been demonstrated. So that gentleman of the Coolard logic spent a lot of time trying to disprove working scientific model. So your videos are shit. You know that? Entertainment. This is a fact. Proven scientifically. So bye bye Coolard logic and your bollocks. Really, you are the bollocks one. So this is a refutation to those videos. Peace.